Alright, today I'm going to show you how to use a simple tool on the website called bubble.us. It's a free website. It allows you to make brainstorming charts, bubble charts. It's a great tool for when you need to write a paper, write a letter to someone, anything to get your thoughts in order. So let's begin by clicking on Start Brainstorming. And I want to point out in the top right corner it says create an account. You will want to do this. You can share things with friends, print things. It'll ask for a username, password, email, and name. Submit that. And since I have an account, I'm going to sign in just to show you one that I made as an example. I entitled it Hero because I had to write an English paper on heroism. And really helpful website, I think. So if we look over here, we can zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, and this is my graph, the 4 pillars of being a hero: mythical, physical, moral, social. So this is what the finished product is going to look like. So let's go over here and click a new one, and let's say we need to write an essay on Halloween. Done. Now let's zoom in and look at this a little closer, and say we want to change the color of this. How about we make it a blue? Okay, done. Now you'll see at the bottom of the bubble is a little tab here to branch out of this bubble. So what are some things that have to do with Halloween? How about movies? They could be funny movies, scary movies, anything we like. At the bottom of this bubble we're going to click that little tab again and have something branching out of the movies. So let's say Hocus Pocus, good movie. If we want to add another movie, we'll click this little tab again in the movie bubble and we'll add Sixth Sense. And say we even want to go as far as adding one more bubble coming out of this movie, we'll click the little icon at the bottom and add Haley Joel Osment, who is the little boy who sees dead people. Now, if we want to start another category coming out of Halloween, let's say things to do. What do we do during Halloween time? Well, we go to haunted houses. If we want to add another bubble, we carve pumpkins. And now if you'll put the mouse over the bubble, you'll see a little cross the top left corner. If you click that, you can drag the bubbles. You can make them farther away, closer together, move them all over the screen. So let's click the tab and add one more category. And let's say famous monsters. And we're going to move this up here so we'll have more room. Now, who is a famous monster? How about Chucky? We've all seen Child's Play, the killer doll. So let's move Chucky up here and let's change the color of Chucky. So we'll go to green, do this. Now I want to show you, if you just hold the cursor over this bubble, in the bottom right corner there's this little blue guy here, and you click and drag to connect 2 bubbles with a directional line. So let's click this and drag it all the way over to movies because we want to link the 2 together because Chucky is from one of the movies, and you'll just get this light gray line that kind of connects the 2 together. So let's add another famous monster. How about Dracula, the cool vampire? And we'll move this bubble over here, and again we'll change this color as well. So it's a pretty cool thing, and you know, we can do a lot with it. We can even change this color again. And look at all of our colors changed. If we go to carve pumpkins, we can branch out of this and say smiley faces. Or we can branch out of it and say mean faces. So this is a very non-formal way of organizing your thoughts to put into a paper, a letter. Also, if you go and tell your professors that you actually used Bubble and created a bubble chart online and used it to help write your paper, you might even get extra credit points. So I hope you learned something. Have a good one.